Welcome home to the Grove at Haw Creek. This quaint subdivision is just like the old neighborhoods of the past, with children playing outdoors, women and men milling about, and dogs being walked. Notice the backside of the home with its 3 outer decks and large yard, where you can sit and hear the calming sound of the stream whisking by. This fine home features an inviting front entrance with large open porch, recessed lighting, and stained tongue-and-groove ceiling. The wood deck flooring has just been refinished and looks brand new. Entering the front door, you step directly into the home's beautifully appointed open-concept main floor. Looking further to your right, you'll notice an elegant gas fireplace with remote control, complete with mood lighting. Note the high-end window treatments installed throughout. These window treatments can be operated either from the top to bottom or bottom to top. A modern European design ceiling fan adds to the extraordinary design of the home's abundant appeal. One cannot help but notice the full-size wooden shaker designed front entrance door. As we pan to the left, you will notice the open area kitchen with stone countertops and full subway tile backsplash. All stainless steel appliances were upgraded from the builder's model, which really makes this kitchen a must-have. Moving upstairs, you will notice that the staircase has been built oversized in width and has stair lights installed for comfort and safety. At the top of the stairs, we step to the right and into the large guest ensuite bedroom. Each bathroom has full tile and traditional bathtubs. As we move through the guest bedroom, you will notice the large walk-in closet with a window and a storage cubby, which is great for general storage, holiday decorations, and things of that nature. Returning back into the hallway area and continuing our tour, we proceed and enter the master suite. The large master suite bedroom area is 21.8 by 2010. Once inside the master suite, you'll notice a very large walk-in closet which boasts a window for natural light. Moving to the right, we enter the master bathroom with double sinks and also featuring a window for natural light, full tile bathtub, upgraded faucets, and a rain-soaked shower head. Returning back down to the main level, we'll continue and move along down to the partially finished lower level. This generous space has been plumbed for a full bathroom, and as you'll notice, all the wall studs have been installed. The new owner only has to install the drywall and flooring. The HVAC unit is designed and installed to heat and cool the entire home, including the lower level when finished. Stepping out from the lower level onto one of the 3 outside decks, notice the large backyard, which can be approved for fencing. Across the yard to the back corner and near the stream, one can't help but notice the serene Zen-inspired area for sitting, relaxing, and gathering one's own thoughts.